Hello everyone, this is Airplane312 here. I'm at one of the hospitals for PT. Sorry about the noise and stuff. Just want to make sure to give you guys a little status update. I'm doing more progress to getting my arms straight up and down. So you can almost see I'm almost there. Compared to, I can show you on the other side of the other hand that I can actually do the full motion and stuff. So I'm just giving you a little status update. As you can see, Grand Travels is basically working on probably finding a job or getting a job and working on his health. I'm fighting with insurance and stuff. This is gonna be boss. Okay, I'm back. I was working on some stuff. So that's pretty much it. This is going to be awfully expensive. It's Fair Week. So today is like August 22nd, 2026. So unfortunately this is going to probably be a clip or something like that, or something like that. Try it with grandma on a little bit while I'm waiting for my ride. So that's pretty much it. So you're hearing some background as they're working on construction here. Sorry about the noise again, but that's pretty much it. I'm working my hard to get my health back and potentially get a job, but I might have to move to a different state with another family members and stuff to take care of me. Or help take care of me. So I'll try to get Grand Travels to do an update about him the best as he can. So I have to pause this again. Okay, I'm back again. So unfortunately, that's pretty much it. I'll try to get him to do an update. My teeth's getting a little bit crappy, as you can tell, but you just never know. One day you can wake up and cannot lift your arm anymore, and then paying for 3 months of torture. If you're a PT or a medical professional, you get the idea of why you're for the PTs and OTs or RNs or whatever that helps you get your health back to normal. You always get the nickname the torturers or the evil people. The reason why you get the nickname of the evil people and stuff is because you got in the medical field to rehabilitate people and stuff. So that's pretty much it. I'll try to get Grand Travels once again, I said again, to make a video on it. So that's pretty much it. I'll try to give you one more status update on my arm. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the flip. Peace.